Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can run Kali Linux or Parrot Security OS or any kind of Kali Linux or any Linux OS directly on your browser without installing it. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser that you have over any OS and type this website, that is distrocy.com. You can see the correct spelling right over there and hit enter. Now wait for the site to get open. Now here you can see, you can find multiple Linux versions here available. You can select any of them, like if you want the Parrot one, here you can see, or you can even have any Kali Linux version as well. For example, let's just simply open this one that says Deepin Linux. So simply click over there and here you can select the version as well. Like for example, if I select 23, now it will ask you to verify. Once you verify your status, then hit on this option of start and you can see you're in the queue, and within some seconds, your Kali Linux will, or your Deepin Linux or whatever Linux that you have initiated on a system will start on the screen. It will take something around 1 to 2 minutes and it will boot directly on your screen.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.